All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Tensorflow course, and we're still doing our feature extraction module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, yesterday, if you recall, the last thing we implemented was the classification layer, as you can see here, and then we had our summary. We were supposed to run it, but I forgot to run it overnight, so I'll do that today. And I'll probably post an update today. If not, I'll just post everything tomorrow with everything we did today. So let's move on. Now with this, we have our model set with minimal code, and we can go ahead and start our training. So you can see here we have our loss function, which is going to be categorical cross entropy. Then we have our metrics, which is going to be categorical accuracy with the name of accuracy. Then we have our top K categorical accuracy, which is going to be K equals 2. The name is going to be top K accuracy. Then we have our net model, which we're going to compile. You can see here, just a normal way we're going to train our model. Then we have the history we're going to run. History equals to net model dot fit. You can see all of the same parameters. And once everything is trained, we're actually going to evaluate our model again. So basically, that's all we went over this morning. We did get everything implemented. We added some new stuff to the, I don't know if we went over this, we didn't. So we added more stuff to the classification layer, as you can see here. Yesterday, the last thing we had was the global average pooling. Now today, we added our dense layer. As you can see, we have our dense layer 1. Then we have our batch normalization. Then we have our dense layer 2. And then we have our final dense layer. And these dense layers are going to be dense layer 1 is going to be set to 1024. Dense layer 2 is 128. And the final dense layer is going to be set to 3. And I can actually show you those up here, how we classify those and specify those. You can see here in our configurations, we have our dense layer 1. Like I said, it's going to be 1024. Dense layer 2 is 128. And then our num classes is going to be 3, which is going into our final dense layer. So basically, that's what we did this morning. We finished off our classification layer. Now we're going to run everything with that to get a summary. And then once the summary is done, we're going to start our training on a new piece of our code. So, yep, that's basically what we went over. We will keep moving forward. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.